Welcome friends. Today we'll see chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. We'll see the example number 15 which is on page number 192, which is important one. That's why we are going to do that example also. Okay. So here we have been given that we need to prove, and we have been given that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 in denomination, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to, we need to prove that 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Generally what we do, generally we always convert our left hand side to the sin and cos, but look, it is already converted in sin and cos. And one more thing, we have been given that use this identity, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So first of all, look, our answer is in sec and tan. So it's ideal to convert this sin and cos into sec and tan. So how can we convert them? Look, if I divide this whole step, the first the numerator with the cos theta, so what would happen? Sin upon cos would be tan. So tan would be there, okay. And cos upon cos would be 1, and 1 upon cos would be sec. So sec and tan will come. If I divide whole with the sine, so what will happen? Sin upon sine 1, cos upon sine would be cot. So I don't require cot. So it's better to divide this with the sine only, so that we can get our desired result. So let's divide numerator and denominator with the sin theta. Let's take the left hand side. Is my sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 in denomination, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now I am going to divide numerator and denominator with the sin theta. So if I divide with numerator with sin theta, so sin upon sine would be 1. Here cos upon sine, cot. Sorry, cos upon sine would be cot. So I don't know, I cannot divide it with the sine, I have to divide with the cos. Sorry. So sine upon cos would be tan theta, which is my, you can see I need answer in a tan, so I am going to divide with the cos, not with the sine. I am going to write it over here. Divide numerator and denominator with cos theta. Okay. So sin upon cos is my tan theta minus cos upon cos is 1 plus 1 upon cos is sec. So you can see that my answer is in tan and sec, and I got a tan and sec over here. So it would be useful, I think so. Now sin upon cos, tan theta, cos upon cos 1 upon cos sec theta. I am going to rewrite this step like this: tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, tan theta minus sec theta plus, I have done nothing but I just shift this one from here to at last, so I just rewrite the step. Okay. So now what is my desired result? My desired result is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. So from now I see that it is difficult to go in any other direction. So what we'll do, we'll use the direct result. We'll multiply with the result itself and divide the result. So at last we will have the result and other thing will be nullified. So I am dividing with sec theta minus tan theta and multiply with the same. So multiplying with sec theta minus tan theta, and in denomination same thing. So it won't change this step. And now I got my answer in numerator, and I will try to nullify all the stuff except this one, and I will land with my result. So let's do the same. I'm not changing this thing now. Okay, so let's multiply these two. So can I write like this, Okay, chalo. So multiplying sec theta minus tan theta with this bracket and sec theta minus tan theta with 1. So tan theta this bracket plus sec theta into sec theta minus tan theta minus this one 1 into sec theta minus tan theta, and in numerator same, no change, so it's a tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 and sec theta minus tan theta. Now you can see here tan theta plus sec theta and sec theta minus tan theta. So can I write this tan theta plus sec theta in reverse order, like sec theta plus tan theta? Yes, we can write. So sec theta plus tan theta. So now you can see over here sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta. So I can use one identity, that is a square minus b square is equal to what? A minus b and a plus b. So I can use this identity over here, sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta. So here instead of these two bracket I am going to write only sec square minus tan is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta for these two brackets. Now minus 1 into sec theta minus tan theta, and in denomination same, no change, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 and sec theta minus tan theta. Okay. Now as we have been given that sec theta minus tan theta, look here it is. So I am going to take this tan over here. This is identity that I need to use as per the instruction given in the example. So if I take this tan in this side, so sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So I am using this identity and I am going to put the value of this sec square theta minus tan square theta as a 1. So I am going to put the value. So 1, this for this 1, for this I put the value 1 minus 1 into, now I am going to multiply this. So 1 into sec theta, it would be minus sec theta, and 1 minus 1 into tan theta plus tan theta, and in numerator tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 and sec theta minus tan theta. Okay. Now can you see that 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta is plus, okay, sec theta is minus, okay, 1 is plus, okay. So this is a same thing. So I can nullify this with this. So I am landing with 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, so this is my right hand side.